Ready to save hundreds on expensive landing pages? This video reveals how to use Google Forms to create stunning pages, sell digital products, and process payments, all for free. Say goodbye to costly builders and hello to smart marketing. Before we dive in, hit subscribe for more money-saving tips and drop your location in the comments. I'll tailor future content just for you. Let's unlock the secret to budget-friendly, high-converting pages right now. Head on to your Google Chrome and go to Google Drive. Next, click big plus button named New and select Google Forms and start a new form. You may see the usual Google form, but today you're about to learn how to turn this simple Google form into a real money-making machine. For this tutorial, as an example, I'm going to show you how to sell an ebook. I have my own ebook created by me. Let's put that ebook's name as the heading of this Google form. Book name is Content Making, but let's add some more spices by adding a tagline, let's say, The Ultimate Guide. Next, let's put a small description. You can use ChatGPT to write these kind of stuff. After that, we can work on making the Google form much more professional. First of all, let's place a relevant cover image. You can design anything related to your product using Canva. Click Choose Image and hit Upload. Then crop the image. Once you select the area you want to make visible, click Done. After the cover image, you can change the background color of the Google form like this. I strongly suggest you use your brand colors for this, as it will enhance the professionalism. Additionally, you can change the font styles for the titles and questions likewise. Next, let's add a small description of our product. Click here. I have already generated it with ChatGPT and copied it to my Google Doc, so I'm going to copy everything from here to our Google form. Next, click and add the image of the ebook which I'm going to sell here. Once it is uploaded, you may click on it and adjust the size of this image. Now I want to get this image to the middle of the form. For that, just click these three dots and select Center Align. Now let's name the image as Content Maker ebook. I'll make it bold and italic. If you want, you can add more details about your product, but for me, for this tutorial, I guess this is enough. Now let's mark the price. I'm going to give it a title as Content Maker, and let's type it as a select option. Now let's mark the price. So, as an example, my price is $5.99. And remember to turn on the toggle switch to make this required. Now let's take a look at the preview. Now let's create the payment method. For that, click these three dots and select Get Add-ons. Now type on Search Payable. Now click this and next click Install. Sign in using your Google account. Click Allow. We don't need these anymore, so close them. Now please observe and follow the steps that are needed. First, click the Sync theme with Checkout. After that, click Auto Configuring Form and Sheet. Here's the connected Google Sheet where you can see all the responses your Google form gets. Next, click Connect the Payment Provider. Here you may see a few payment providers, but I'm going to select the PayPal standard, so click it. Next, click Connect PayPal Standard button. Then your PayPal will appear and allow all permissions and complete the setup. Now click this toggle switch to turn on to make this form payable. Now let's have a look at our payable Google form. Let's enter a dummy email and select our ebook. Click this link to proceed with payments. Processing, and here it is. You can see as we are using test mode, we can see the numbers. When we put this form into live mode, all the numbers may appear on the checkout page as a usual checkout page. Now the most important part, you need to type a thank you message and put the Google Driver link to download your ebook. Done and dusted. Guys, we have successfully created our Google Form landing page. Now, how can we drive people to buy this ebook? In simple language, how can we market this digital product without spending money? My best recommendation is Pinterest. It has a very large number of users and the quality of engagement is very high. So let's learn how to create a Pinterest pin for this ebook. Creating a Pinterest account is a very simple thing, so I'm not going to explain that. For the pin image I have created is a very simple one using Canva. Nothing more complicated. Once you created your Pinterest account, click Create Pin and upload the image. Give it a title. Generate a description using ChatGPT and paste it here. Place your Google Form landing page link. I'm creating a new Pinterest board called eBooks. And then add some tags. Finally, hit Publish your pin. Here is how your pin looks like. Once you click the link, you will land on the Google form. So guys, this is very, very simple. Try to create your own thing. Stop wasting hundreds of dollars on expensive landing page builders. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll be back soon with another money-making video. Goodbye.